How to cancel premium subscription of Spotify app. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Spotify app on your mobile. As you open Spotify app on your mobile, you have to go down in the premium option. As you click on the premium option, now there will be some plans showing over here. If you are using the free plan or basic plan, then you don't have to cancel the subscription because it's free. If you are using any of the plan, or then you can cancel the subscription over there. Now let it load. As it is loaded, then now go down. Now, if you are using any of the plan like premium student or premium duo or premium family or whatever, now as I am using the basic one, if you are using any of the premium plan, then you have another option of cancel the premium plan over here. Now by clicking over there, you can cancel your premium plan. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.